Is your pool pump draining your wallet? Get ready to save big and enjoy a quieter backyard oasis. Today, we're diving into a product that's a game changer for any pool owner, installer, or DIY enthusiast. Traditional single speed pool pumps are notorious energy hogs, constantly running at full power. This leads to shockingly high electricity bills, turning your dream pool into a financial burden. But what if there was a smarter, more efficient way? Enter the Hayward W3SP3206VSP TriStar VS Variable Speed Pool Pump. This innovative pump is designed to drastically cut your energy consumption and transform your pool experience. It's a true investment in your home. Imagine saving up to 90% on your pool's energy costs. That's potentially $1,500 every single year. The Hayward TriStar VS makes this a reality. Its incredible efficiency means it might even qualify for local utility rebates. This significant saving comes from its advanced variable speed technology. It precisely matches the pump's speed to your pool's needs, avoiding unnecessary power usage. Your wallet will definitely thank you. Tired of a noisy pump disrupting your backyard tranquility? The TriStar VS features an upgraded motor drive for significantly quieter high-speed operation. Enjoy your pool without the constant hum of an old pump. Installation is a breeze for DIYers and pros alike. With dual voltage capabilities, it integrates easily into both new and existing pool pads. No costly rewiring is required, saving you time and money. This pump boasts a permanent magnet, totally enclosed fan-cooled motor. This design ensures more efficient operation and long-lasting reliability, giving you peace of mind for years to come. It's a robust piece of equipment. The integrated, programmable digital interface makes operation simple and intuitive. With a 24-hour programmable clock, you can easily set schedules tailored to your pool's specific needs. Customers rave about its user-friendly controls. Pool owners love the TriStar VS for its ease of installation and powerful performance. Many report it's a huge upgrade from their old single-speed models, noting its quietness and strong water movement. It truly delivers on its promises. Its programming capabilities are a standout feature, allowing for optimized filtration cycles. This means a cleaner pool with less effort and, most importantly, lower energy consumption. It's smart pool management. The Hayward TriStar VS variable speed pool pump is more than just a pump. It's an investment in energy efficiency, quiet enjoyment, and long-term savings. With a 4.2 star rating from over 150 reviews, its benefits are clear.